What are you doing?
You didn't want to crotch it.
What are you doing?
You're going to take one of your phone.
I did take it.
Oh.
You're a dork.
I'm so happy right now. You want me to take one of you? I said,
What?
I said you want me to take one of you. I meant to say take.
No.
I know the perfect plan.
What?
When Tracy gets here, we'll somehow sneak out the back door, and then we'll run outside and go, rah! But she's trying to get
Just
to the
like
door.
low like that? Or wouldn't it be like really loud?
Shut up. Except we gotta do it when she won't hear that door open.
What door?
We have to do that one because it's kind of loud.
We'll probably fall down the back of the stairs. We don't have any band-aids.
Now we gotta add that we're peeping toms. I used to have a spy kit.
A spy kit? Would you spy on people?
Yeah, you put baby powder in your hair and it makes it look gray. It changes the color.
Oily hair, you can do that to it. It
Oh, yeah.
absorbs the moisture.
Looked like an old granny.
Well, if you use it in moderation.
Yeah, I was learning. I can't believe you got my booger.
I got your booger. Oh, with that picture.
Yeah, if I see that, I know where you'll sleep. I'll get you with my hairy legs and my toenails.
Your what?
My hairy legs and my unpedicured toenails. They're my weapons.